Welcome to RestoCycle. Fun Friday video to share with you. This cool CBX is ready to go home. This is the Pinstripe bike. I'm just going to tell you straight up, I dig this pinstriping. It's really cool. It's what was done in 1982 or whenever the owner had it done. He liked it enough, the guy that did it, that he signed it. I think it's a great feature of this bike, and I would not like to remove it. 14,000 miles. It sat in a carport or a garage in Washington for a while till a friend of ours bought it. It needed the usual deep service stuff to be a really nice bike again, but it is by now a really nice bike again. We did a lot of stuff like replace the janky 1985 kooky foam grips and put new handlebar switches on it. The gauge cluster got powder coat and new damper rubbers for behind the gauges so they don't vibrate themselves to death. There's a new switch contact base in the ignition so that works perfectly. A lot of powder coating, a lot of sprucing up, especially in this cockpit area. You don't want to look down and see stuff that looks a little dowdy, so we spend a little attention on that. We wanted to put an LED in this one. That's one of our favorite mods, but the reflector was too far gone, so we ended up having to use a sealed beam. We're going to see if we can scrounge one of those. That was a small regret to an otherwise excellent project. This was an interesting contrast. A lot of the finishes were really kind of curious. Like these wheels on the fork, they look great. The paint was beautiful. It took some elbow grease to brighten up the alloy and wax and cleaners to make the black paint look great. But then the engine looked terrible. If you look at the photos in the project gallery, the engine looked awful. So we actually pulled the engine out and painted it. We just couldn't bear it. The rest of the bike was so nice. We powder coated the brake calipers and also the master cylinders, and they all got rebuilt. And there's a nice new set of Technofit brake lines on there. Those steel braided brake lines that we like so much. Exhaust system was nice. It needed a half an hour with the phosphoric acid to derust it and spruce up the chrome, but it's super solid. There's zero perforation. It looks great. Did a valve adjustment and new gaskets and sealing washers on the cylinder head. These ProLinks, these 82s are the most refined of all the 4 years of the CBX, and this thing is like quiet like a sewing machine. It's a really, really nice motor. It's only 14,000 miles, so it should be. But it is. There was no abuse. This bike is in nice shape. More of that pinstriping. I gotta confess, I really do dig it. Okay, so what else did we do? We did the usual wiring cleanup. Nice new AGM battery, clean out the gas tank, new petcock, a lot of vapor blasting and paint. Of course, Alex rebuilt these carburetors for us. They are awesome. We rebuilt that alternator. This bike's putting out over 14 volts at idle. Starter gets disassembled. That gets all cleaned out, so it's really kind of spunky. The ProLink swing arm, it's a wonderful swing arm, but the pivots are prone to getting goofy, so we take them all apart, and there's little knuckles in there that get greased and cleaned, and then when they're all put back together, it's really supple again. There's a brand new Icon 3610 shock peeking in there. That's a massive upgrade to the tired out stalker that makes these things fall over on their right sides. Center stand repowder coated, side stand powder coated, tidy spring. Bit of polish and spiff to the paint. More awesome pinstriping. Corbin seat. This took about a quart of Vinyl X, but it looks great again. It really looks nice. I think this is my favorite part. The pinstriper signed it. It's a guy who's proud of his work. Rear brake, usual treatment. Rebuilt. Powder coat, rebuilt master cylinder, new brake line, new reservoir line. Ignition advancer all taken apart, cleaned, lubricated, reset. Clutch all adjusted. Of course, did I say valves adjusted? New ignition wires, Taylor ignition wires, Good to go. The best part is always, this bike is stone cold, I promise you. That's how we want them to start. Alex does use carburetors. Hey Alex. Hey Joe. Come give us a winning smile, Joe. Joe built this bike. There you have it. Friday afternoon. Nice milestone for the end of a busy week. Mike, your bike is done. We look forward to doing your 79. All right, everybody, have a great weekend.